Hi students, here is a video on the sheet frequency tables in case you're having difficulties. Okay, so if you can't remember how to do a frequency table or it's your first time, this is what I would tend to do. So I would cross off a number as I put it into the table. So they've done the first one for us and that's why there's a stroke there, okay? Now to work out what goes in your score column, look at all your numbers. Find your smallest number, they've already done that for us, it's a 0. Find your biggest number, I think it's a 6, and put those numbers in here. Now just double check before you write them in, especially if you're using pen, because I can rub out nice and easily, that you've got enough room for all your numbers. And now here comes the tricky bit. Now, you've got a lot of numbers there and you don't want to stuff it up. So what I normally do is I will cross off. So 3, you can maybe do 2 at a time if you're getting really good at it. 3 and 2. So I'm going to put a stroke in 3 and 2. So I cross them off as I go. 6 and 5. 6 and 5. 3 and 4 and 5. You can do 3 at a time if you're good. Alright. 1, 6 and 3. 1, 6, 3. Some people like to count them all up, but sometimes you can make mistakes. So this is actually the best way to do it. 4, 2, 5. 4, 2, 5. You might be better off doing it one at a time until you remember what to do. 3, 3, 2, 0, 2, 0, 5, 1, 5, 1, 2, 3, oopsies, 2, 3, 2, 3. Now when you get to 5, do you remember the 5th tally mark is a straight across? Okay, so you can see where it is. 5, 4, tally, 4, 3, 2, 3, 2, oopsies, 4, 5, 4, 5, 2, 1, 2, 1, 5, 2, 5, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 5, 6, 5, 6, 1, 4, 1, 4, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 2. So that's how you work out your tally. Now remember, in the frequency column we write the actual number that the tally is. So there was 2 strokes for 0, 4 strokes for 1, 2 happened 10 stroke times, 3 happened 8 times, 4 happened 5, 5 happened 8, and 6 happened 3. Now use your calculator or your head. That funny E symbol means sum of. It's called sigma, and it's a Greek letter for all you Greek people out there. I'm pretty sure that's sigma. If you're Greek and you know it's something else, let me know. So if I add all those up, for example, 2 plus 8 is 10, plus another 10 is 20, plus 4 is 24, plus 5 is 29, plus 3 is 32, plus 8 is 40. And hopefully, did it tell us that there were 40? Normally what I do is I'll count how many numbers I have, and I'll just double check that it was 40 while I add it up. So I'm going to do a different color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 35, 34, 36, 35, 34, yeah, whatever, 35, 36, 38, 39, 40, and was that 41? Oh, I'm going to have to do that again because I've just stuffed myself up. Sorry about that, loves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Sorry, can't count. Okay, so that's all you have to do. So what I'd like you to do now is to have a go at question 2. I'm going to do question 7 so that it helps you work out 3, 4, 5 and 6. All right, so let's have a go at 7 together. Student eye colour was recorded. BR stands for brown, BL stands for blue, G stands for green, H stands for hazel. So we are going to, okay, over here we had a score, tally, frequency. Let's do the same. Score, tally, you could put it in the middle if you prefer, frequency. So they go up there. You'll notice there's a line up here. So they want you to put a title for the table. So what do you think the title for the table should be? I'm going to say it's student eye colour. And if it said a class, I'd probably put the class in too, but I don't think it does. No. All right. Now the scores are all the different colours. So we got brown, blue, green, hazel. There's only 4, isn't there? So you can put BR, BL, G, and I think it's H, isn't it? Or you can write the word. You do whatever you like. I'm going to do the same lettering as what these symbols are. So now we have to do the same thing we just did then. So cross off a BR and put a stroke in BR. Cross off a BR, put a stroke in BR. Cross off a BR. All right, if you want, you can do 2 at a time. Green, blue, green, blue. Brown, 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 cross, go across. Brown, blue, brown, blue. Hazel, 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 hazel. Brown, 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 brown. There's 4 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4. Popular eye colour. Blue, hazel, blue. Blue, hazel, blue. Brown, 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 brown. Hazel, blue, hazel, blue. Green, brown, green, brown. Brown, 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 brown. Hazel, 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 blue. All right, so once you've done that, put the numbers in here. So there's 15 brown, there are 6 blue, 2 green, 6 hazel. Again, total them up, okay? Add them up. 15 plus 6 is 21, plus 2 is 23, plus 6 is 29. Let's just double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Good, I'm correct. It is 29. All right, so now let's answer these questions. What was the most common eye colour? Well, it's obviously this one here, isn't it? Brown. How many students had hazel eyes? So we look for the number here. The frequency number is 6. Okay, what percentage of the students had blue eyes? So to work out a percentage, you have to do the number. In this case, what is it? Blue. So the number for blue over the total number of students. And then to find a percent, we times by 100. So let's do that. How many students had blue eyes? Come on, move down, you silly bugger. 6. Right, so 6 goes on the top of my fraction. How many students are in the class? Do you remember the total? 29. And then we times that by 100. And I hopefully find my trusty calculator. Nope, don't have it open. There it is. What was it again? 6 divided by, or fraction key, 29 times 100 equals. All right, so that says 20.68. Let's check. Answer to 1DP. So what did we say it was? 20.68, didn't we, roughly? So if I round that to 1 decimal place, that means the 6. Get rid of the 8. That means I have to round the 6 up because the 8 is greater than 5, or 4 or more, isn't it? So it's 20.7%. All right, what percentage of the students had either brown or hazel? So if they say either, you have to add the brown and the hazel numbers together. So brown, I'll make this a different colour. Brown is 15, hazel is 6. Add those two together, we get 21. using the same thing, put them over the total number of students, 29, pardon me, times by 100.
Why hasn't my client paid me?
Sorry about that. Bloody hell. Sorry, it's the calculator's fault. My bad. Oh, killed me. Okay, so I can do fraction key. Lost that now, sorry. 21 over 29. Whew. Times 100, so you could have done that too. 72.4 to one decimal place. Is that right? Oh, that hurt. Equals 72.4%. All right, so now you get to do 12. Come on. And 2. All right? There you go. The answers are down there too, by the way, just in case you want to check. Bye, guys.